The Palace X Nike Air Max DN8 collaboration delivers a bold, eye-catching twist, with the safety orange colorway stealing the spotlight. Departing from Palace's Adidas past, this collab brings London streetwear flair to Nike's iconic Air Max silhouette. The safety orange edition flips the usual palette, letting vibrant orange dominate while dusty gray accents provide balance, making it a standout on any sneaker rotation. Featuring 8 dynamic air chambers, metallic swooshes, and heterochromatic detailing, this sneaker combines Palace's maximalist, throwback style with modern performance design. Co-branding is front and center, with the Tri Ferg and Swoosh logos creating instant recognition for collectors and streetwear fans. Perfect for those seeking bold streetwear style and standout sneakers, this edition is highly anticipated. Dropping holiday 2025, the collaboration also includes city-specific apparel, completing the look. Get ready for one of the season's most talked about releases.